My question is, in a marriage where both spouses prioritize their own desires over each other's rights, could this behavior potentially affect the upbringing of their children? Jazakallah.
You see, marriage is a bond between husband and wife, right? So they should both respect each other and also try to respect the sentiments of each other. So both husband and wife should live amicably, and that is their duty to set their example before their children. If any of the party, the husband or the wife, is not behaving properly according to the tradition and the teaching of Islam, then they are not discharging their duty properly, as they should do. When before marriage, you promise each other so many things, but when you get married, then normally men mostly, and sometimes women as well, they just forget what did they promise with the other party, with the boy or the girl, the husband or the wife. So you should always realize that now your life is not your own. Now there is a responsibility of some other lives on your shoulder, and you have to bring them up in a way which is according to the teaching of Islam. And if you are not showing respect to each other, you are not following the teaching of Islam, you are not discharging your duties you owe to Allah Ta'ala, you are not following the commandments of Allah Ta'ala, you are not showing morals, then that means you are going to spoil your future generation. So you should solve your problems amicably so that your children should also learn lesson from you that this is how we should behave with each other. And they will be brought up in a way which is purely the Islamic way. Right? It's not a matter of prioritizing each other. It's a matter of showing respect to each other. So if husband and wife both realize their duties, then it will never happen that I am superior to you or you are inferior to me. I know in African culture and Asian culture, sometimes men try to suppress the women and they impose their orders, but it is not right. It is un-Islamic. Both should discharge their duties according to the teaching of Islam.